Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today we're going to be painting a happy little mountain scene, so grab your paints and come along, join me. We're just going to go up in the sky with some plain old blue and just smack it down wherever we want. Maybe grab some green, and we're just going to go over at the sides and put in a little lake. Let's just grab some blue and some brown, and we're just gonna slap that wherever we want. These are gonna be some big old mountain ranges, so let's start them off real nice. Alright, let's grab some white and some dark sienna. Just get it marbled on the knife, and we're just gonna put that in on the mountain however we want. There we go, just have it go right on down. These are gonna be some rocky mountains. Now, we're just going to grab the fan brush and tap in where these mountains are going to come down into the water at. Let's grab ourselves a different fan brush, get some yellow on it, and we're just going to tap in a little bit of foliage. Maybe there's a big rocky thing living right here, so we're just going to put that in. And there we go. Grab a little bit of green on your fan brush, push it straight down. We're gonna make a big old tree right here. Maybe some littler trees will live right around here. These will be some skinny little guys. Maybe. There's a big old hill that goes right over all of this because I would like it to be there. So let's just tap that on in. Some rocks are gonna live on this hill, so let's just sprinkle them in. And we're just gonna go right on over that with some more green, and they'll just blend right in, real nice. Right there. Beautiful. And now, I think we're looking at a finished painting. So from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting, and God bless.